hit your Spotify Warped 8 ways to find new music. But with your Spotify favorites, here the how to uncover new tracks, artists, and genres on the music streaming app and freshen up your playlist. How did you feel about your last Spotify Warped? If you do not like what it had to say, the best way to make sure it is bad and interesting is to take control of your listening habits now. End of year, you will thank you for it. There are plenty of ways to use the streaming music service to discover a new song and find your next favorite artist. Or Spotify plays a big on discovery, but the app itself can sometimes feel overwhelming. So, we'll walk through a few ways to expand your library. This guide focus on the mobile app, but the same functionally is present on the desktop app too. Spotify's new scrollable feeds allow you to scroll through songs like you would on TikTok. Just tap the music tab for personalized recommendation on singles, albums, and a playlist based directly on your listening habits. It is a great discovery method that allow you to preview music alongside visual elements to really grab your attention. Playlist that supports the scrollable feature will have a banner above the first song that say explore this playlist. Tap it to begin scrolling through the list. If you find something you like, just tap the plus icon in the right corner of the card to add it to your library. Listening is a tried and true discovery method, but listening to FM radio can be a Spotify introduced a new artificial intelligence DJ that offer up new and favorite tones without any effort on your part. Not only are the result personalized, but the voice and complete throwback experience to radio is satisfying. The best part is that you do not have to do much to get started here. The DG feature is available for all premium subscriber on the iOS and Android app. Just make sure Spotify is up to date so you can find the DJ feature under the music feed. Once you tap play, the DJ card will also show up in the recently played section. To time it about trying new music, Spotify's new smart shuffle is a perfect solution to add new music into your life by adding new tracks into existing playlist you have already made. Smart shuffle tries to match the style of the song in your playlist, so the new jumps to Smart Shuffle on a mobile device. Open a playlist in your library and tap the shuffle icon. Spotify will ask whether you want to use the standard shuffle feature, which makes your saved songs or smart shuffle, which will add new tracks daily, while smart shuffle, which will add new tracks daily. While Smart Shuffle is not physical available in the desktop app, there is an button on playlist that performs a similar function. If you do not like to kick things off in familiar, check out the automatically generated release radar playlist, which is made up of artists already